Ready to start your business journey? Let's make it simple with baby steps. Step 1. Dream big. Picture your amazing idea that can change the world. Got your idea? Now, let's make a simple plan. No stress, just clear steps. Next up, know your customers. Who needs your product or service? Learn what problems they have and how you can solve them better than anyone else. Step 4. Create your brand. Your look, your vibe, your story. A cool logo, catchy name, and consistent colors make you unforgettable. Now, set up the basics. Open a bank account, register your business legally. It may seem tricky, but step by step, it's just paperwork and signatures. Marketing moment. Tell everyone what you're up to with fun and flair. Post cool photos, share stories, and chat with your fans online. Don't forget, track your money. Know what's coming in and going out. Use apps or ask for help. Keeping tabs saves you headaches later. Practice makes perfect. Try small sales or test your idea with friends. Listen to feedback with an open heart and always keep improving. Remember, every big business started small, like you right now. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make some noise. You've got what it takes: confidence, style, and the smartest moves. Ready to build your empire? Start today with these baby steps. Subscribe and follow for more Baby Boss tips. Let's grow together.